All right, guys, got a 2018 Porsche Cayenne. I think it's Cayman S. Anyways, we put a axle back system on it. So factory converters are, I'm assuming, somewhere shoved up there. Can't see it. Covers a lot of everything. Duals all the way down. And this is where we put the kit on. It's called a Soul kit. I couldn't find a part number on the box or anything like that, so I'll try to look it up, see if we can't get a description for you guys. There it is right there. Almost kind of looks like two vibrant resonators there and there. The quad tips out the back. Looks nice. There it is there. Let you guys hear it. Remember, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. Waiting. There you go. It's clean. Oh, that was the old stuff we put off of the wind. Sound decibel.